One more to close this lesson out. What do we have? 4x squared plus 3x equals 2. So we know that we need to have that leading coefficient be 1 before we can complete the square. So let's divide everything by 4, which is going to give us x squared plus 3/4 x equals 2 over 4. That's going to be 1/2. Now we're going to take 3/4, and it's going to start to get a little messy again. We're going to take 3/4 and we're going to cut it in half. So we're going to take half of it, which means we're going to multiply it by a half, and that'll be 3/8. Okay, we could just double the denominator. That's the pattern. So 3/8 is half of 3/4. But remember, now we need to square this. So that'll be 9 over 64. Told you it was going to get messy, and that's okay. So we get x squared plus 3/4 x plus 9/64 equals 1/2 plus 9/64. We have to balance the equation. We do that on both sides. To factor this, remember the pattern is whatever half of this was, that's what's going to go here, and we know half of it was 3/8. So 3/8 x plus 3/8 squared, and that equals, let's combine over here. Let's make 1/2 something out of 64. This one's not too bad. This is just going to be 32 out of 64. Maybe looks a little messy, but we'll save some time doing it that way. 32 plus 9 will be 41. So 41 over 64. It's kind of nice to see because all the answers have a 41 in it, so we seem like we're on the right track. Now we square root both sides. Taking the square root gives us x plus 3/8, and that'll equal plus or minus the square root of 41 over 8, because the square root of 64 makes 8. And that's good because we have 8 over here. We can maybe combine with the same denominator. So we're kind of doing okay after this messy problem. Minus 3/8 from both sides, minus 3/8. And so x equals negative 3/8 plus or minus the square root of 41 over 8. And because all of our answers are written over the same denominator, let's do the same. X equals negative 3 plus or minus root 41 all over 8. And perfect. We see that in D. D must be the answer. Good work.